Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we dive into the FIFO lifestyle and explore how to organize your work life effectively. The FIFO lifestyle brings unique challenges but also opportunities to strengthen family bonds during quality time. Establishing boundaries between work and home is crucial for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. A well-planned family schedule can help ensure that you spend quality time together, despite work rotations. Staying connected through regular communication helps maintain bonds during long absences. Creating daily routines can help manage time effectively at home and while away. Transitioning smoothly before and after work shifts is key for minimizing stress. Involve your kids in planning activities to foster togetherness and a sense of contribution. Leverage technology to help manage family schedules and enhance communication. It's essential for FIFO partners at home to dedicate time for self-care to maintain a happy household. We hope these tips can help you navigate your unique FIFO family situation. Remember, it's all about adapting to your needs.